Yes, these are called root vegetables, and they roast beautifully in the toaster oven. I'm going to peel them, cut them into 1.5-inch pieces, and roast them today. Now I have the beets, the rutabagas, the turnips, and the carrot peeled. That took about 8 minutes. Look at the beautiful colors. Everything is cut up. That took about 7 minutes. I'm transferring everything to my baking sheet. I'm brushing the pieces with olive oil, making sure everyone is coated. Adding some salt. Pepper. And some garlic powder. My oven. Popping the tray into the toaster oven. I'm going to check it in about 20 minutes. And that was a total of 30 minutes altogether at 425. Everything is beautifully tender, nicely done. Flavors are concentrated. Root vegetables tend to get sweet when they're baked like this. Absolutely delicious and beautiful too. I think this takes the statement, eat your vegetables, into a whole new realm. And what flavors would you add? Rosemary? Tarragon? There are many really great recipes in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can buy just about anywhere. I would give this a try. And eat your vegetables.